Hey everybody, Cranky Stacker. How are you doing today? I mean now, when I ask you that. I got a couple of things today. Got some mail that I'll get to here in a few minutes. But first and foremost, I wanted to let you all know there will be an auction this weekend, Sunday, and I don't have the date. Hold on. All right. Sunday, under the lights. Well, if you need lights in the midday, then it'll be under the lights. But anyway, Sunday, there will be an auction. It will be a TuliTuli Cranky Stacker, Stanky Cracker, Franky kind of auction. Yeah. I'll get back to the Franky here in just a minute. But kidding aside, Sunday. This Sunday, the 16th of February, 2025, at 1:15 established time. That'd be Eastern for those of you in Rio Linda. 12:15 Central Time, 11:15 Mountain Time, and 10:15 Pacific Time. There's an auction, and it's going to be some bits and bobs and some rounds. I have a single 10-ounce bar that I will do a post and do and let you all take a look at some of this stuff and some cranky pours. But bonus round sell here. Miss TuliTuli is going to put up some Tuli pours, so I know you don't want to miss that. So plan on being there. We'll do some posts, but coming up this Sunday, 1 o'clock, 1:15 East Established Time, 12:15 Central, 11:15 Mountain, and 10:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So don't miss it. Tuli's gonna put some things up here. I'm pretty excited about seeing all that, but yeah, and then some of these little Gen.2 cranky trinkets are going to be out there. So we'll see what we can do. We'll definitely have fun. We always do. So come and join us. And I can't answer for Tuli, but bring your checkbooks, folks, because it's all about having fun and, well, just moving things around in the community. So come join us, okay? As for the Franky thing, I've been called a lot of things in life, especially in my YouTube life. I'm commonly referred to as the Cranky One or Cranky Stacker, but I have been called lots of things. I recently have been called Franky. I have been called Stanky. And it doesn't rhyme, but I've been called a knob. for what that's worth. Anyways, on to the mail. I got this a few days ago. This is from Being Becky. And, there's a dog bone on the back of it. I like it already. See that? I like it. Let's see. This is a woman after my own heart if it has doggos in it. And let's see. It says, thank you. What a cute card. Oh. A little something for your stack. Perfect. How nice is that? I got a Rosie. 19... It's a 64. I'm working on dime tubes. Thank you, Being Becky. I appreciate that very much. It says, hey, Cranky, thank you for all your support. I enjoy your channel very much. Be well and keep stacking. All the best, Becky and the Whippets. Well, from Cranky, Stanky, Franky, Knob, and the Cranky Canines. Thank you, Miss Becky. Appreciate that. Look at this sticker, too. One of these days, I am going to get the sticker board back up and running after I get my studio moved to the original point of plan. So, yeah, that'll be on the board. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. All right, on to the next thing here. This, I pre-ripped it. This is from 3D Woodworks. This was 3D Woodworks' 250 sub giveaway and celebration and auction. And boy, did I score some cool stuff. I'm so excited about this. Oh, look at there. That's the ultimate repurposing. Ah. All right. I'll be back in a flash. There we go. This is Cranky Stacker. Thank you. Oh, cool. A chip. It says, my items. There's a list there. You guys can read them if you like. Howdy, Cranky. Thanks for being there for our subscriber group celebration. We hope you had fun. That was our goal, to create some smiles and show our appreciation for all the support from folk like you in our community. Make someone smile today. 3D Woodworks. Awesome. And that was so much fun. If you guys like to have some things in the background or whatever, that's just it was so much fun at that auction. And I'd say it went off without a hitch. He had some home studio help going there, and of course the best moderator on YouTube, TuliTuli, was gracious enough to help out. And so here's some COAs, 3 ounce, serial number 1, large heart. We got, I'll match these COAs up with the pieces as they come out. COA Bob Heart, 1.2 ounces, serial number 4. There's a story on the Bob Heart. You should go back and watch 3D's explanation of it. It's a cool story. Cool story. I would like to have met Bob, I think. COA Bob Heart, 1.6 ounces, serial number 5. I love the way he does his COAs. This is awesome. Small Heart, January 25, fine silver, 3/9, 1 ounce, serial number 2. Interesting. I didn't. That's funny. I remember the copper hearts, but I don't remember the silver heart. So, and then a magnet. This is all. You know, one of these days I'm going to do a video and show you guys on my my fridge. It's an awesome looking fridge with all the magnets I've got on there, and this is a very cool poker chip. Thank you, 3D Woodworks. Let's get into it. Let's find some stuff. Oh, and there's my all right. So, wow, these are cool. Nice bags. Great presentation. And the large heart. That is beautiful. What great work. Look at the back of that. Looks like a topographic map. And for those of you in Rio Linda, that would be a map showing hills and valleys and stuff. That's the large. And this is the 1.6 ounce bob heart. And again, you should go back and listen to his story about the oh, it's official, about the bob heart. It's a very cool story. So we got that. Then the small heart, and I really, that night of the auction, I really wanted to get the whole set, large, medium, and small. And look at this. Isn't that cool? This is the bob heart. I'm sorry, 1.2 ounces. So they're kind of all bob hearts, but yeah, large, medium, small. All right. Anyways, yeah, I forgot where I was at here, but this I don't remember the. I don't remember the silver heart, but I am absolutely pleased to have it. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful. Number 2, 1 ounce. It's beautiful. Yep, love it. Love, love, love. So, yeah, we'll get those up there. And I got to be honest with you, I was so... 3D gave away so many beautiful rings that he made. And I was really hoping to get in on one of the giveaways. And I kind of got in on this one, which is really actually the one I wanted. It was a copper kind of night, that night at the auction. But this is gorgeous, y'all. And he was kind enough to say my number was close enough in the game. I got some tape on here. I got to get off. I'll be right back. Look at this. This is so cool. It says 999 fine. Let me get my Tuli approved pointer here. 999 fine. And I can't read this line here. Let's see. In God we trust? Is that what it says? No. Let's see. See what it says there. Focus. Yes, it does. Anyway, yeah. This side says folks, I'm going blind. 1 ounce Golden State Mint. There we go. Get it up in the picture. Franky. Copper. This was made from a 1 ounce copper. I believe it was a Morgan, or what did it say? Yeah, 1 ounce copper Morgan. This is such a piece of work. Super, super nice. And I don't know if it was a 9.5, 10.5, something like that. I don't know. Nice, huh? Can go there. Can go there. Yeah, got it. Love it. What a beautiful, beautiful ring. Thank you, 3D Woodworks. It's really heavy. Super cool. Very, very nice. Now, I'm sure there are certain members in the community that may or may not be able to wear this. Maybe too large for somebody with small hands. If you know, you know. Just kidding. Just kidding, man. Anyways, yeah, that's cool. Look at that stuff. Very, very Very cool. And I'm so very much appreciative of it. Now I got the 3 copper hearts because I wanted all 3 sizes, so I could do a video and show the 3 sizes all together. And it was my original intent to gift this to somebody. So I will find out if she has one. And if not, cool. There you go. But that is just incredible. I'm as excited about the copper hearts as I am about the silver, but I'm happy to have all of it. So there you have it. That's the mail for today. Everybody stay safe out there. Don't forget this Sunday. Here you go. Here's a thumbnail for you. Auction Sunday, February 16th, 1:15 Eastern, 12:15 Central, 11:15 Mountain, 10:15 Pacific. There's a thumbnail. Work with me here. Okay? All right, everybody. Like I was saying, stay safe, shoot straight, keep stacking. Stack the right stuff, y'all. And I am out. 3D, thank you for the Bob Heart. It's a special one. I'm happy to be a forever home for that. Appreciate it. So 4 channels you need to look up. If you haven't subbed to Being Becky yet, go sub her up. We're trying to get her to 250 subs too. 3D Woodworks, sub him up, show him some love. You got Gold Sniping Farmers auction coming up Saturday, along with TuliTuli, and then an auction on Sunday with the Cranky Stacker and Tuli. And sub up Gold Sniping Farmer if you haven't subbed him up. Sub him up. It's my favorite auction on YouTube, without a doubt. He's kind of, he grows on you. It's all good. And if I don't know where you've been living if you're not subbed to TuliTuli, but hit that sub button. I'm out. Recap time. Do a flyby. Ooh, dizzy yet? Some of that's going to be up for auction. That there. How about that? Cash me outside, y'all.